Exit right to E. Rodriguez Jr. Avenue South Service Road. In 400 meters, turn right on Ortigas Avenue West Service Road. Turn right on Ortigas Avenue West Service Road.